Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following problem solving and data analysis question is going to require a ton of unit conversion. So let's go ahead and read very closely for which units need to be converted. If a 5-gallon water jug is poured evenly into two other containers, well, actually, the first thing we're going to do here is divide this. So we've got 5 gallons originally, but now we're going to have two containers, each with 2.5 gallons. Okay, so keeping track of that. And then each of those are split into 3 smaller containers. All right, so now these are each going to be split into smaller containers. So we're going to have to divide 2.5 here by 3. If you plug that into your calculator, it'll be something like 0.83 repeating gallons for each of them. All right, and then, okay, what is the approximate weight in pounds now? All right, of each of the smaller containers in the end. Now they're telling us that 1 gallon equals 8.35 pounds. So we have a rate here. For every 1 gallon, we have 8.35 pounds. And we want to figure out what the weight in pounds is. So we don't know the pounds, and we always want to keep the same units in the denominator and same units in the numerator apart from each other. But we do know the amount of gallons. So for each of the smaller containers, we have 0.83 gallons. I'm going to go ahead and write this here up top. Now, what you will want to do here in your calculator, you will want to cross multiply. So 8.35 times 0.83 repeating is going to give you a number that you would then have to divide by the remaining number here, the remaining part of the fraction, which is just 1. So we're dividing by 1. All we're really doing is multiplying 8.35 times 0.83 repeating. So 8.35 times 0.83. Whoops, let's not use an x there actually. That might be a bit confusing, but times 0.83 is going to give you the answer here. So that is going to evaluate to something like 6.9583 repeating. So, okay, we've got our answer choice here, but none of these seems to directly match it. Now the question does say what is the approximate weight, so anything that's close is going to be the right answer. It seems if we round to the nearest ones place here, we are going to end up with 7. So that's why this is the correct answer. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.